Hello YouTube family, this is Angela coming to you with another video, and today I will be eating Tony's Supreme Pizza. Let us say our prayer first. Amen. So y'all, today I have this pizza, Tony's Supreme Pizza. I got it from the grocery store by my house, Hy-Vee. And I have some water in my come and go cup. I told y'all I'll be going to the gas station and getting these big old cups. I don't buy the Slurpees because I can't eat no big old Slurpee like that. It's too big. But I like the big old cups. And I have some old snap jalapeno poppers I'm going to put on my pizza. I love jalapenos. I really, really do. I really, really do. And I didn't know if I wanted to use these or my regular one, because they said these taste like more like a pickle. And they do this, it's more like a pickle than my regular hot jalapenos. Yeah, they say it's more like a pickle than hot. Y'all, I'm be knowing this camera be straight. One day it be straight. One day it don't be. One day I have light. One day I don't have light. I don't know. I didn't know what I was going to eat today, but I said, let me eat this pizza. Because it's been sitting in the freezer for a couple days. Whew. The water cold. Yeah, it's been sitting in the freezer for a couple of days. So let me get this piece out of here. See, y'all, my daughter been wrecking my brain all day about a baby shower. She's trying to plan this baby shower. And I'm trying to help as much as I can. And we go have a baby shower in Chicago, of course, because that's where our family at. We don't really have no family here in Iowa, but we go have it in Chicago somewhere. So I want y'all to check out Hook on Tea. She is just now starting her YouTube channel. And I've been watching her content and it's good. And she got a 10 taco challenge I might do. I'm going to do it, I think, this week or next week. So Hooked on Tea, Tee. Check out her channel. I don't like the crust too much, y'all. I really don't. Especially in the homemade pizzas. So me and my son, we've been out running all day today. So I'm gonna relax. I gotta wash the dishes. There's some dishes in this thing. I gotta wash dishes. I think I'm gonna watch Love and Hip Hop reunion tonight. Where's my four, y'all? I'm gonna try to eat this so it won't go to waste. So y'all, that's all I'm going through. Just my daughter and this baby. And this baby shower stuff. My camera cut out on me the other day. I was so mad when I did my last video. But I still got some minutes in. But I still don't know how people, how they stop, the camera stopped and they start right back. I don't know how they be doing that. And it cut it right back on. So where they left off from. To my daughter right here, y'all. Oh. What you got to say? Someone she got something to say. Okay, y'all. Yeah, these taste more like pickled peppers, not hot. I should have tasted them first, so I would have got my hot jalapenos that I usually eat on my pizza, but that's okay. So y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Everybody have a happy Monday. Don't forget to check out my girl Hooked on Tea. She just started her channel. Go and support her. That's TEE, Hooked on Tea. Okay, y'all. See you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Everybody take care.